Hey, what's up, family? This is your boy Built on the Budget. Coming to you again with another one of these videos. I told y'all guys I was back, and I'm gonna be around to stay for a while. What I got to do today is, I know a lot of people tired of seeing John Deere stuff, but I ain't. I'm not tired of making them. Thank y'all for supporting me, the ones that do watch my John Deere stuff. And I know a lot of y'all guys like that old school C10 stuff. So here's what I got today. About a year ago, we bought something for baby girl's truck. And I'm finna unbox it after about a year. And I hope that what I see, I'm still happy with it. What we got here? Bam! See if y'all can see what that is. A C10 Cowl Hood. Might have some darn wasp in it. I better. Where that wasp coming from? Wouldn't that be a trip? You open this thing up and it's got a big wasp nest in it. I mean, it have been a year. So I'm going to have to be mindful of that. So that joker flying around, where he going? Let's see where he go, Built on the Budget, before I cut into this box. See if he go back inside of that joker. But yeah, bought this hood about a year ago and hadn't really done nothing with it but set it up under my building. And so I got to get it right so we can install it on this truck. But I'm keeping my eyes on that wasp over here and see if he gonna go back inside of that box, because I got to open it up. But what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna need both of my hands, get this thing open up, and then I'll turn you back on. And just like that, with the magic of a camera, boom, there we have it. It's a real nice hood there. It's been a year, I know, sitting in the box. And boy, the bottom of that box got wet, but I'm glad it didn't mess the hood up at all. So what I'm gonna do, because we are unsure with which direction we're gonna go with this, I'm gonna take this hood and scuff it, and I'm gonna shoot a coat of clear on it just to keep it from going bad. What happened is, a lot of times people take and they buy these hoods with the primer on them, and then they mess around and put them on their trucks and don't put nothing on them, and before you know it, they done rusted out, and now you got to deal with the rust. And so I don't want to have to deal with all of that. So that hood, that's where she going. So I don't know if I'm gonna do it today. It'll be another video if I do. But I'm gonna hang it up. It's supposed to rain today. I'm gonna hang it up and see if I can't get some clear on it. But yeah, that's the 85. And look what I pulled out from under the shade today, people. The silver bullet. Bought it out today. Look at my other toys I got. I got more than John Deere stuff. See my other toy sitting up under there? That's a 62 deuce. Big block. But video ain't about that today. The video, this cowl hood. So like I said, let me get this thing out, kind of scuff it a little bit, and get old coat of clear on it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn that into another video for y'all, and then I'm gonna do a little work on the silver bullet. I'm looking at the silver bullet. It need to be cleaned up. I'm gonna pull it out, clean it up, shoot a video on it. I hadn't done it in a good little while. Let y'all see a little bit about it. Hey, look, appreciate your support. Like, subscribe, share, comment, good or bad. We'll get back with you, but that's what we got. We got the C10 hood, getting ready to clear coat it, put it on the truck. We're trying to move forward with it. Baby girl will be home Labor Day weekend, and we'll probably try to get a few more things done. Oh yeah, another thing that I'm gonna do to this C10 is bam, that's got to come out. Hate it. I hate it. Hate that. That's coming out. Got a new windshield. Well, it ain't brand new, but it's new to me. To go in there. And I mean, while I'm in here, do like I always do. Give y'all guys one of these right here. Uh-oh. Now that was embarrassing. It didn't do nothing. It could be my makeshift cables I got on there. Yeah, it could be my makeshift cables. Y'all guys remember my makeshift cables? I believe that's what my whole problem is let's hope it is, because the battery normally had a good charge on it. Let me turn this off and come back. Okay, I did a little work on that. That was downright embarrassing. Baby girl didn't want to fire up, so I made some adjustments on that cable there, and then I'm gonna take y'all back in here again. Let's see what we got now. Y'all hear? Yeah, we got to get the right battery in this thing. That battery actually belonged to one of my subscribers. I'm looking to see who that is. Yeah, that battery actually belonged to one of my subscribers, but I just wanted to, being that we was out here at the truck, just wanted to give y'all a cold start on it. So listen, man, to the next time, you know how we do it.